In 2026, over 80% of data breaches still start with a single stolen login. We use dozens of accounts every day, and unfortunately, it's super common to have security issues with our passwords. In this video, we're going to be covering the best password tips and tricks to help you create a strong password, run a quick password leak check, and manage passwords like a pro. We'll also explain why strong passwords are important and how password encryption keeps your data safe. If you want to master password management best practices, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Before we look at how to build better logins, we have to talk about how hackers steal passwords right off your computer. You can create a strong password to secure your account, but if your computer gets infected with stealer malware or you land on a fake phishing website, scammers can still snatch it. That is where Moloch comes in. Moloch is a dedicated cybersecurity app created by MacPaw that gives your Mac easy malware protection and scam detection. If you want to try it, just head over to pages.moloch.com/YouTube to try Moloch free for 7 days. And if you decide to purchase it, make sure to use the code YouTube10 at checkout for a special discount. I've included a link in the description. So, how do hackers actually guess your logins? Cybercriminals use automated bots that run brute force attacks, trying billions of combinations per second. A short login, even one that is 8 characters long, can be cracked in seconds on modern hardware. They also use dictionary attacks to test common words or credential stuffing, where they test stolen passwords from old data leaks on other websites. To beat this, old advice was to create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. But length is actually much more important. A short, complex password like P@12! Is easier for a computer to crack, while long passphrases take a lot longer. If you want strong passwords that are easy to remember, pick 4 random words put together, like coffee-planet-dog-jacket. This creates a wall of security that makes it harder for bots to guess your password. For me, the best thing is to use Apple's built-in password generator whenever creating a new account because it automatically generates ultra-strong random logins on the fly. It also autofills them securely, stores 2-factor codes, and syncs everything across all my Apple devices safely. Now, even with great logins, cybercriminals have other ways to get a hold of passwords. The first threat is stealer malware. Silent software that sneaks onto your computer, digs into your browser memory, and copies all your saved logins in seconds. The second threat is phishing websites, lookalike pages designed to trick you into typing your logins directly to a hacker. This is why having Moloch running is so important. Its real-time malware scanner catches info stealers in the background before they run. And if you ever receive a suspicious email, message, or link, you can simply copy and paste the text right into Moloch's scam detector to get an instant safety score before you enter your logins. But what if a website you use gets hacked? That is why running a regular password leak check is critical. Data breaches happen all the time, and you can check sites like Have I Been Pawned to see if your email was compromised. And even better, your Apple device, for example, has built-in password security settings that monitor data leaks automatically. If a saved login appears in a known leak, your device will alert you so you can change it immediately. To keep your login safe, it's important to follow password security best practices. First, never save passwords directly in your web browser, as they're easy targets for stealer malware. Second, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you're creating strong passwords, and never reuse passwords across different accounts. Instead, use a dedicated app to manage passwords safely. For Mac users, for example, the default Apple Passwords app is the best free option. Finally, you might hear that logins are protected by password encryption. But what is it? Encryption is simply turning your written passwords into an unreadable, scrambled code. Even if a hacker steals the encrypted file, they cannot read it without your master key or device passcode. This keeps your data completely private, and if you're curious, yes, Apple's passwords and iCloud keychain are both encrypted. Maintaining strong logins is your first line of defense online. Did any of these tips surprise you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to claim your 7-day free trial of Moonlock at pages.moonlock.com/YouTube to keep your Mac safe from malware and scams. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.